Pakistan People's Party Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari has invited opposition leaders, including Maryam Nawaz Sharif, to an Iftar dinner in Islamabad on Sunday. Sources within the PPP said Bilawal telephoned Maryam on Friday and invited her and other Pakistan Muslim League Nawaz leaders to Sunday's Iftar dinner. Maryam Aurangzeb confirmed that the PMLN delegation led by Maryam Nawaz would attend Sunday's Iftar dinner to be hosted by the PPP chairman. Aurangzeb said the PMLN delegation would include opposition leader in Punjab Assembly Hamza Shehbaz and other senior party leaders. Bilawal also telephoned Jamiat Ulema Islam Fazal chief Maulana Fazal Rehman and Awami National Party head Asfad Wali Khan to extend an invitation to them. Among other leaders invited to the Iftar dinner are Siraj Mehmood Khan, Achakzai, Akhtar, Mengal, Aftab, Sherpao and Shah Awais Noorani, they said. Sources further informed that the PPP chairman would try to bring leaders of opposition parties on a single page, while discussion would also be held on the economic situation of the country and a public protest campaign against the government.